Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the religious orientation of people living in Punjab. As you know, the Punjab is largest province in terms of population, and it has 110 million dwellers in Punjab according to the latest census. And Punjab makes up the 24% or almost one fourth of the total GDP of Pakistan, and 97.2% of its population claim to be Muslims. Uh, as you can just see in this pie chart, the distribution of Muslims as well as other religious minorities. Muslims make up 97%, whereas the minorities, which include the Christians, they make up 2.3% of its population, and Hindus are 0.1%, whereas Ahmadis are 0.2%. Similarly, the scheduled caste people are in very insignificant community, and the other religious communities as well. If we talk about the variation or diversity of its Islamic tradition, we find that Sufis have played the great influence and role in the history of Punjab. The partition of 1947 pushed most of the Sufi saints as well as peers to migrate to the west of the Punjab. The number of shrines in the Punjab continues to thrive even today. It homes a number of different Sufi saint silsilas, and it promotes a lot of peaceful coexistence, harmony, tolerance in society. Particularly, Punjab Interfaith Harmony Policy is launched by the government of Punjab recently in 2020. The annual processions of minorities are highly respected in the province, and different sectarian divisions are living and coexisting with the peace and harmony in the province.